Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send an email on behalf of someone else in Outlook. Before you can send an email on behalf of someone else, it is important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions. The owner of the mailbox must grant you send on behalf access in Outlook. When you open a new email message in Outlook, the first step may be to enable the From field. This field is not always visible by default. To turn it on, look at the top of the new message window and click on the Options tab. In the section called Show Fields, click on From. Once you do this, the From field will appear above the To field in your email window. Now that the From field is visible, click directly on the From button. A drop-down list will open and show the email accounts you can send from. From this list, select the email address of the person you are sending on behalf of. If the correct email address does not appear in the list, click on Other Email Address. A new window will open where you can enter the address manually. Type the full email address of the person you are sending on behalf of, or use the address book to select it. After entering the address, click OK to confirm your choice. Once the correct address is selected in the From field, you can compose the email as you normally would. Add the recipient in the To field, write a clear subject, and type your message. When you click Send, the email will go out successfully. The recipient will see that the message was sent by you on behalf of the mailbox owner. Thanks for watching.